It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a natural deodorant that I absolutely love. First of all, I want to talk about the brand Humble. All their deodorants that they have, I am in love with. Now, I love this scent because I feel like it's a little bit more manly, so my husband can use it. And I'm going to show you guys it's unused, fortunate for you, but that's the consistency of it. And it smells, I mean, it's called patchouli and copal, but it smells very manly, almost like a cologne, but not overpowering. So I'm going to go ahead and apply just a little bit. You guys can see the texture. And I am not nervous about applying this at all because it's chemical free. So you can see that blends in really nice. So you're not going to have that staining on your clothing. So let me tell you a little bit about this deodorant. It does not have anything in it that's going to hurt you. On the back, it actually says here, no aluminum, alcohol, dyes, parabens, or artificial fragrance. So the quality in this is super high. It's not going to get those people with allergies. It's amazing. For the fragrance, you have actual patchouli essential oil. You have frankincense in here, and you have copal oil and tonka bean seed extract. You guys, this stuff is a no-brainer. It has no chemicals, smells super good, and it's not gonna harm your body. There you have it. That's my point of view.